Students, this is class 4 junior maths exercise 1b from question number 8. Okay, in this video we'll solve this chapter, and in question number 8, Mr. Alve had 2 kg of potato and 1 kg 500 gram of onion and 250 gram of spinach in his shopping bag, and what was the total weight? So for total weight of the vegetable in his bag, so what you have to find the total weight of the vegetable that he had purchased in market. Okay, so for gaining the total quantity of anything, then you have to add the things. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you one thing, that the kg and gram is a unit to measure something that is in solid. So let's start. So you can write the kg and gram. Okay, so 2 kg potato, there is nothing, so you can write 0, and 1 kg 500 gram, that onions, and 250 gram of spinach. So it is only in gram, 250 gram. So there is nothing in kg, so we will write 0. You can write 0 or you can't write. Okay, that is up to you. And now you will add. When you will add, then what you will get? 0, and after that 5, and 5 plus 2 will be 7, and again 2 plus 1 will be 3. So total weight of his bag in that he has purchased, that is 3 kg 75 gram. Okay, so again next question. Mohan went to a temple 45 kilometer 6 meter away. He traveled 43 kilometer 500 by bus and then took a rickshaw. What distance did he travel by the rickshaw? Okay, so total distance of that temple from his house, or whatever you can say, that total distance was 45 kilometer and 6 meter. So again I want to tell you one thing, that kilometer and meter is a unit to measure something that is in distance, to measure the distance. Okay, so let's start. What you have to do, you have to find the what distance he traveled by rickshaw. So you have to subtract in this question. Okay, again you can write kilometer and meter. Okay, so total distance was 45 kilometer. Okay, 45 kilometer and 600 meters. Okay, and he traveled 43 kilometer by bus, then 43 kilometer 500 meter, and then if you will subtract the total distance and the distance traveled by the bus, then you will get the distance that he traveled by the rickshaw. So it will be 0 0 1 0 point decimal 2 and nothing. So the total distance that he traveled by rickshaw is 2 kilometer 100 meter. Okay, next one. Aesop sells 28 liter and 150 milliliter of oil every day. Okay, and how much oil does it sell in 6 days? So in this question, first I want to tell you that liter and milliliter is a unit to measure something that is in liquid. Okay, so in this question you have to multiply the 1 day sales in the total days. Okay, 28 liter and 150 milliliter. So you have to put a decimal, or you may put a decimal, and you will multiply it with 6. so it will be 0, and 6 5s are 33. 6 plus 6 into 1 will be 6, and 9 will 3 will be added. Again 6 4s are 48, 4 will be here, and again 6 2s are 12, and 12 plus 4 will be 16. So total oil will be 168 liter and 900 milliliter. Liter and milliliter. Again in question number 11, so a tailor used 16 meter and 80 centimeter of cloth to make 8 trousers to equal size. What length of cloth did he use to make each? Okay, so again I want to tell you that meter and centimeter is used to measure something like cloth and this type of things. Okay, so you have to divide in this question. You have to find a equal size for 8 trousers. Okay, so you will divide this total total length of the cloth by 8. So here will be 16.80 centimeter will be divided by 8. So 8 2 times will be 16. So here will be 8 and point decimal. So 8 ones are 8, and 0 will be here. So the total length of each cloth will be 2 meter and 10 centimeter. 2 meter and 10 centimeter. Okay, so question number 12. This pictograph shows how the children of a class come to school. Look at it and fill in the blanks. So आपको पहले ये समझना होगा कि ये जो साइंस बनाया गया, इंडिकेटर बनाया गया है, कितने चीज़ों को शो कर रहा है. सो सी दिस इंडिकेट्स 4 children and this indicates 2 children. So you will add and find the number of students. So when you will add, then it will be 6. 4, it shows 4 and it shows 2. So next will be 4 ja 16 plus 2 18. Again 4 3 ja 12 plus 2, then it will be 14, and 4 4 ja 16. So the question number 1 is the number of children who came by rickshaw equal to, रिक्शा से कितने बच्चे आते हैं? 16, and by the car will be 6. Again the number of children who come by bus, then it will be 18. Okay, and by scooter 14. Again the total number of children in the class will be, then how you will find this? Then you will add this all, because they all comes by different means. Okay, so when you will add, you will find 54. So we have completed our chapter 1B. Thank you.